In this walking tour, you'll see an apartment located on Moriones Street in the Antonio Machado area of Torrevieja. Nearby, you'll find Maestro Francisco Park, as well as shops, restaurants, and public transport stops, all within walking distance. The apartment has a total area of 60 square meters and features 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, along with a terrace and a balcony. The property is in good technical condition. Windows face both east and west, offering natural light throughout the day. It comes fully furnished and is equipped with individual heating and air conditioning. A great option for either permanent living or a holiday home in a well-developed part of the city. The price of the apartment is 110,000 euros. If you're interested in this offer, feel free to contact me via WhatsApp or Telegram at the number shown on the screen. If you're also looking for other options in this area or in different neighborhoods of Torrevieja, I can help you find a selection of apartments that match your needs. Just send me a message. Now, I invite you to join the detailed tour of this apartment.